Okay, now in this video we will be doing about codominance. Okay, in the previous video we did about incomplete dominance, in which neither of the pair of allele they could dominate each other. Okay, but here the codominance means both the allele in a pair. Okay, in a pair of allele in a gene, both the allele will be dominant over each other. As a result, both will be expressed in the progeny. Okay, so this kind of phenomenon, the phenomenon of codominance, it is seen in case of the character that is blood group. Okay, blood group of human being, blood group of human being. So this blood group is a character. Okay, now till now you have understood that one character, okay, can have contrasting opposite two traits. Okay, but here this blood group, it has got three allele. Okay, it has got three type of allele. So one type of allele is IA, which code for blood group A. Okay, another will be IB, these are the allele. Okay, blood group B, that code for blood group B, and one will be small I, that code for blood group O. So blood group is one character and the character has three traits, either IA, IB or small I, three alleles. Okay, and that's why this type of phenomenon, occurrence of more than two allele, okay, in one single character, it is also called multiple allelism. Multiple allelism, occurrence of more than two allele for one single character, it is called multiple allelism. Okay, now codominance. Now suppose, always remember, gene is expressed by a pair of allele. So suppose if father has, if father has IA and suppose IA, okay, and if the mother have the allele that is small I, what will be the blood group in the progeny? Suppose, so okay, during gamete formation these two segregate. Okay, these two segregate, that is it will be either IA or IA. Okay, one gamete, sorry, here. And during gamete formation these two segregate, so one gamete will have I, another will have I. Okay, so if these two fertilizes, it will be IA and small I. Okay, and if these two fertilizes, it will be IA and small I. Similarly, these two IA and small I, and suppose these two, it will be IA and small I. Now you can see here all the progeny will have the pair of allele IA and small I for their blood group, which they inherit. Okay, half from father and half from mother. Now in this generation, in all this progeny, you can see here all of this progeny, okay, they will have the blood group that is A positive. They will have the blood group A positive, because here capital A is dominant and small I is not dominant. Always remember, out of these three alleles that code for blood group, okay, IA is also dominant one, IB is also dominant one, and small I is not dominant, it is recessive. Okay, so now this is one combination. Suppose if father have IA and IB, so the father will have IA and IB. Okay, now if mother have IB and small I, suppose. So now if this combine, so during gamete formation IA, IB will be there, one gamete will have only one, okay, during gamete formation IB and small I. So now if this sperm fertilizes this egg cell, then it will lead to the combination IA IB, okay, IA IB, and if these two fertilizes, then IA from father and small I from mother. Now if this two fertilizes, then it will be IB from father, again IB from mother, and if these two, last one, these two fertilizes, then the combination will be IB and small I. So this will be the combination in the progeny. Suppose this is brother, sister, whatever, okay. All the children are born from the same parent, same father and mother. But what about their blood group? Are they having the same blood group? No. See, here IA and I is there, okay. This progeny will have IA, I, that means it will be A positive. This progeny have both IB, IB, so it will be B positive, and this progeny will have IB and small I, it will be again B positive, okay. Now this, what about this IA and IB? I have already told you, out of these three allele, these two are dominant and one is recessive, not dominant, okay, that code for O. So now here we are doing about codominance, in which both of the allele dominate, both of the allele cannot dominate over each other, okay. As a result, both the allele will be expressed in the progeny. So this progeny will have the blood group both A, B positive, okay, because neither of them can dominate the other one. They show codominance. Both the characters are expressed in the progeny. So the progeny will have AB positive blood group, okay. So this is all about codominance, in which this is the phenomenon where there is codominance here. When both of the allele, they cannot dominate the other one, as a result both the allele will be expressed in the progeny. So this is all about codominance. They do not show any mixing between A and B, but in fact both are expressed AB positive. They do not show any mixing like C or whatever. They do not show any mixing like that which was there in incomplete dominance, but they co-dominate each other. As a result, both are expressed in the progeny. So this is all about codominance, okay. And about O positive, suppose father have this II and mother have IA and I combination, okay. Now during gamete formation only one, okay, will go to one gamete. So now here in this combination, this will be IA I, this will be small I, again IA I, and this will be small I. So for progeny, out of this four, this will be A positive, this will be A positive. Now what about this small I, okay, small I inherit from father, one inherit from mother. So this will result in O positive blood group. This is neither A nor B, but this is O positive blood group. Here also O positive, this is A positive, and this is A positive blood group. Okay, this is all about blood grouping, but the codominance phenomenon is seen in this kind of blood grouping, AB positive blood grouping, okay, where the expression of both the allele is present in the progeny, okay. So we can see here this father which have IA gene, okay, this allele for blood grouping, that means the father is A positive, here the mother is II, so O positive mother, here father is AB positive, okay, mother is B positive, okay, father is AB positive, this is father A positive, here mother is O positive, here suppose this is father, father is O positive, and here mother is A positive, okay. So, this is all about blood grouping, and I already told you about this term, that is multiple allelism. Multiple allelism, multiple means more than 1, 2. So, basically the gene will have a pair of allele, okay, but multiple allelism means more than one pair, that means more than 2 allele that code for same character, like in case of blood group, where blood group is one single character, but it is coded by 1, 2 and 3 gene, IA, IB and I. These are 3 alleles of a gene, okay. But always remember, one person will have only a pair of this 3 combination. Out of these 3, only 2 will be there, only a pair of allele will be there that code for a blood group, okay. Person can have only a pair, okay, but the character can have 3 allele, 3 combination, okay, 3 allele, but one person will have only 2. Here you can see only 2, okay, only a pair of allele. So, multiple allelism means occurrence of more than 2 allele that code for only one single character or that express one character, that is multiple allelism. So, codominance means this phenomenon where both of the factors they dominate each other completely, neither of the factor is recessive. As a result, in the progeny, both of this factor or both of this allele is expressed in the progeny, okay. So, we see that in AB plus AB positive blood grouping, this phenomenon codominance, okay. So, this is all about codominance. I hope you understood. Thank you.